it's been a recording video, and today, I tried to do this video live, and for some reason, it just didn't work out, so I'm just gonna do it as a regular video. I'm gonna be building a Lego set, which is a Pillager, an Illager raid. You see, here's in the book. And here's the time lapse of me building it. And now. Alright guys, I just finished the build. It's pretty nice. So it's an acacia sand village because there's an acacia tree right there. So this is a raid. So far they're one of these Illagers. Pretty neat. This head also moves, as you see. When the head moves, the mouth opens. So like, there you go. As you can see, that opens when I pull the head. And then this moves, this lever here. And there's one of these crossbow guys up there on the top. And aside, we have a red ninja name. I don't know. Red ninja fighting an Illager over there. We have a villager in that house right there, over there. That's the blacksmith. That's the bell. Here's the farm. So water, pig, carrots, ocelot, or cat. You can remove the roof off of this. You can remove the roof of this, as you can see. Alright, and you can see the inside. It says green carpet, bookshelf right there, furnace, crafting table, little thing outside. They snap on easily. See, functioning door. It's pretty nice. Little plant pot, cactus. Carrots can be taken out. Feed it to the pig. So, water looks pretty realistic. Pretty nice hay bale back there. Terracotta stuff. Torch. And that's it. That's the build. Hope you enjoy. There it is.